Afternoon, this is Andy Farmer with MarineMax at Wrightsville Beach doing a quick video walkthrough on this 2009 Monterey 320 sport yacht. Stepping aboard, you'll notice this transom cushion here. The backrest swings forward and makes this whole area a sunpad. Check out the photos to see this area in the sunpad position. Also underneath it is a storage trunk, spare anchors stored underneath there, and fenders, dock lines, a lot of storage underneath there. Stepping aboard, you'll see a U-shaped seating. This forward or rear cushion right here does have a little separation, which has been repaired, but it's there. Otherwise, cushions are in great shape. There is a cockpit table that's stored in that aft trunk I was just talking about. Over the port side, you've got an area that has a refrigerator there and wet bar up here. Refrigerator is new. Forward, little shot of the helm there. Updated electronics, touchscreen Garmin, standalone Ray Marine depth sounder, Fusion stereo, and nice new Garmin VHF ready glove box over on the port side. What I love about this boat is a walk-through windshield. Up to the bow, there is a sun pad for that area that's in great shape. Scanning around, take a look at the canvas. It's newer and in good shape. That Garmin, by the way, does have radar with it. This boat is equipped with Volvo power. It does have Nutrisalt. So when you're back at the dock, hit that switch, and some anti-corrosion properties, risers and manifolds, and new batteries were put in 2019. This boat is above the maintenance curve. Just scrolling around the cockpit here a little more for you. You see the snaps there just above the wet bar, and obviously over on the other arch, this boat does have a complete mooring cover as well. Stepping up behind the helm, just take a quick peek here. Gauges seem pretty good shape, all good condition. Controls again, remote spotlight up on the bow, anchor windlass, nice double helm seat and double companion seat with bolsters. Let's take a look down in the cabin. This boat has a lot of room on a 32-foot boat. It feels bigger than the badge. So you've got over to the starboard side, you've got a couch that does pull out into a berth there. This forward berth extends and becomes larger, but you've got good storage underneath. To port, you've got a microwave, 2-burner cooktop, stainless sink, stainless refrigerator as well. Forward here, you got your AC controls, TV that swings out, and then looking aft, got a conversation pit, or it pulls out into a berth back there as well. Just a ton of storage throughout this boat. Quick shot of your control panel. Boat is equipped with a generator. Has about 72 hours on the generator at the time of the video. Scrolling around, take a peek here, just quickly give you an idea of some of the storage. This is a nice deep, kind of hard to tell, it looks like in the video, but there's a ton of storage in here. Nice flooring. Boat's in great shape. Woodwork in the interior is in great shape. Coming back around. Head, wet head. Compartment. Just give you an idea of what we're looking at there. Winter keeps these small fans running just to keep the air circulating and keep it fresh in here. No unusual odors or smells. Really a nice clean boat. Well maintained, guys. Helm seat again. Come back this area. Carpets are down. Probably a few years old, but still in really good shape. Okay, this is Andy Farmer with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. If you have any questions about this boat, please give me a shout on my cell at 910-264-4818. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.